Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Project. In this module, I want to show you how you can create a task that is linked to two other tasks so that the duration of the task you might not know, but it's dictated by two other tasks. So the start of it is dictated by a particular task and the end of it is dictated by a particular task. The technical term is to create a hammock task. So if I just create a simple project plan here, so project A can be the main one, and then I'll just do task one. And then this is a task that I'm going to not know the duration of, but it's going to be dictated by task one and task three. So I'll put collect feedback or something like that. So I don't know how long that process is going to take, but it's going to be dictated by the end of task two. So if I put these as milestones, so 0 and 0. So this is a tool that you can use to stop leaving tasks behind. If I indent all of these underneath the title, indent, like so. So the way you have to do this, if I make this a little bit bigger so it's easier to see, put it to 14. Okay, so the way you have to do this is you click on this start date of the first task that wants to dictate when the, in this example, collect feedback task would start. Copy that, click onto the start date that you don't know of collect feedback, go to the task tab there and paste special, and then paste link is the key. That's what you want. Click OK. So that start date is now linked to that. Now the end date of this milestone, copy that and click on that one and do the same thing. Paste special, paste link, OK. So now what should happen is, if I say let's change this milestone start date, because it's just a milestone, so it'll affect the end date as well. If I push that out to say the 5th of March, few seconds delay, and then that'll stretch this. The hammock task itself will jump forward to reflect that, and there it goes. Now if you push the start date of this one forward a little bit, not all the way to the 5th but to the 3rd, say, that'll shorten the task, so it's always going to sit between the two. So if I push the start date for this one out to the 12th, so it jumps forward a week, wait for it to catches up, and then do the start date again on this to the 10th, and then that will pull in like so. So the length, the duration of this task, just colour it up, this yellow task, is dictated by the start of that and the end of that. Now, these tasks don't have to be milestones. I could have durations on these, but they are dragging that. Now, it looks like it hasn't done that. That's because it's the end of the day and that's the start of the day. This is just a milestone. That's all why it looks slightly different there. But that's all I want to talk about on this little video. How you can create a task that has a dynamic duration and it's driven by two other tasks, one for the start and one for the end. So hopefully that little video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.